Hello guys, hope you are all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install ChatGPT Atlas browser. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your browser and type Atlas browser, okay? This is the official website, openai.com, okay? Where you can download ChatGPT Atlas browser. It is available at the moment just for macOS, and it will be available in the future for Windows or Linux. So click on download, it will be downloaded. Okay, I have already downloaded the Atlas browser. Let's install it. I'm going to download folder, okay, and open it. If you want to install, just drag and drop into application folders. As you can see, it has been downloaded. Let's check it out. Atlas, as you can see, it has been downloaded and installed on macOS successfully. That's it, guys. Hope you will like it. If you have any question, draw me them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you in the next video.